Hey, this will be a video chart on STHG. Been getting quite a few questions on this, so I wanted to get it out there so people can know what's going on from the technical perspective. Chart is very straightforward, not really too much to it. Of course, that does kind of depend on what's your strategy. If you were a day trader and you bought a pair or hair or something like that, then you should be out. If you're not, then you probably violated some of your own rules or whatever. But if you are in this for a longer term swing trade or just the overall story or chart in general, then the chart is still bullish. Before you call me crazy and say, well, when the price is way up here and now it's all the way down here, how can it still be bullish? I'll explain that here in a little bit. But like I said, it really goes back to what was your strategy going into the chart or going into the play. That's going to really dictate how you can look at the chart. So the first thing that I wanted to point out was today was very important because yesterday, obviously, big red day, big volume, and today was one of those kind of question mark days. What was going to happen? Was this downwards momentum going to keep up or gain, more strength, or just, what sort of, action was going to take place? And you can see that, yes, the price did drop back down, retested that 001, but by the end of the day, the bulls pushed it all the way back up and it closed at 0014. So that's a nice day. And we have this very attractive looking candle here. But the other part that makes this candle and makes the day in general even more bullish is when we look down here at the volume. You can see that the volume was dramatically less than what it's been in the upwards days. And as any textbook or online search will tell you, that during consolidation days and pullbacks, the lower the volume, the better. So from the volume analysis standpoint, it definitely acted like you would want to see it. So what is this area here that we want to keep our eyes on in order for the overall chart to remain bullish? Like I said, chart's very straightforward because we have this orange line here, the 200-day simple moving average valued at 0008, and this is the key level. As long as this level holds, then the overall chart will remain bullish. And just to kind of put it or symbolize it here, let's say the price does come down here, bounces down around a little bit before heading back up. Well, this set of lows would be up here. And then when you compare it to the previous set of lows down here, when we connect them, we would be able to draw the almighty uptrend line, and that's the name of the game. If you can draw uptrend lines and assuming you're long, then you're making money. So from the overall perspective, that's why this is so important, because even if it were to drop down here, hover around before heading back up, it would still have put in a higher low than what was over here, and that's what we want to see. So 0008 or the 200-day simple moving average, once you get in this orange line here, is going to be the key level that you want to keep your eyes on. In terms of resistance levels, potentially a little small one right here at the close from a couple of days ago at 0.0019, but really the big one is just going to simply be the previous high of 0.0021, where the profit takers finally decided to step in. So 0.0019 and 0.0021 are going to be the key levels of resistance on any sort of upwards push. But for now, I think the important thing is just to make sure that the chart continues to go through a healthy consolidation. Today, I would definitely chalk up as a healthy consolidation day. How many more days does it need? Your guess is as good as mine, but no argument here that when you look at the volume and the price action, today was definitely a healthy day, and a bullish day for consolidation. So keep your eye on the 200-day simple moving average, and just keep your eye on the volume too. With any more sideways or pullback days, the less volume, the better. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on a penny stock. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was STHG. Thanks for listening.